Hi, today we will learn how to do the emboss painting. This kit is available in the market, in the lace house or in the bookshop, around rupees 100. You will get this kit. All instruction is written behind this box. On the top of the cover, a picture is drawn. You have to just paint this painting in the sheet or in the cloth given inside. There is a box where the paint is given in some plastic or glass bottles. There is another primer or you may say a coat, base coat. Some glitters are there and a black velvet sheet where the painting is previously drawn with some chemical. It is the same painting that is given on the top of the box. At first, what we have to do, we have to take this cloth and keep it in a bed or in a table upside down. First of all, I place a cloth on the table. After that, I keep this velvet cloth and I will iron it on the back side. After ironing for 1 or 2 minutes, you will see that the painting will pop up or it has been embossed. That's why this painting is named as emboss painting. So the first step is to iron it, and when it get embossed or popped up, we have to apply the base coat. That is the liquid given in the box. You just take it and start painting the picture that is given. Apply it properly so that no place left over. After the base coat, we will start painting with the color given inside this kit in the plastic or in the glass bottles. After coloring the whole picture, we have to shade it properly, otherwise it will look not so good. Proper shading must be done to look it or to make it beautiful. So do the shading properly. So this is the third step, and the next fourth step is to use white or black fabric. After doing the shading, you can add touch-up by using white or black fabric by doing the ornaments. Now the fifth step is the borderline. After completing all the picture, just borderline all the picture with black sketch pen or black marker pen. After completing the painting, we can frame it using frame like this, which is available in the market within rupees 300 to 350. But why to spend so much when we can make more beautiful frame at a low cost? First of all, take a thermocol and cut it according to the size of the cloth emboss painting. Then cut it. Cut this thermocol slightly smaller than the cloth because we have to fold it at the corners. And apply Fevicol to paste the cloth. Don't apply too much Fevicol. You must smash it before pasting it. Otherwise it will look not so good. Now use thick cello tape or brown tape to fix the corners like this. So after fixing the corner, we can decorate more the corners or the boundaries by using this type of mirrors, or you can use also zoris, coloring cello tape, whatever you like. You can use your own creativity. So here we have used these mirrors and it is looking quite good. And on the back side of this painting, we have to make a loop to hang it. First I make the loop and paste it with Fevicol and also fixing it with this cello tape so that it doesn't come out. And then we have to cover the back side of this painting with black art paper. This black art paper will protect the thermocol year after year, and also it looks good. After that, again we will cover the corner using black cello tape If you don't have black cello tape, you can use on the normal one also, but black cello tape looks good. You can also use black chart paper here in the corners. So here you can see the painting is complete and binding is also complete. Now we have to hold it by a cellophane paper to protect it from dust. Cover the whole picture with a cellophane paper. There is two types of cellophane paper available in the market. One is thick and then one is very thin. Don't take the very thin one. And while covering it, you must fix it very tightly. That means no fold should be there while covering it with cellophane paper. So my whole painting and the binding is now complete. Now we can hang it in anywhere in our room and beautify our room. This is a very cool SUPW school project. Stay tuned with this Creative Student channel to get more update for student development videos and art and craft videos. Thank you for watching.